Hi guys, the Dream here. Another FESTA day and another waterfall of practice records dropped on us from above, finally escaping the big hit vault of the hidden dance practices. And today we got practices for Best of Me 2018. Oh my god, Fake Love era. I remember the comeback show where they performed like for the first time in a long time, I think, because before they performed that in Fort Master, I think, for the first time. Yeah, the Best of Me and stuff. And I remember the first glimpses that we got of Best of Me in 2017. And we were so longing for any kind of, video of the dance and everything. And the first time they performed it was for the Fort Master. And I remember watching that on fancams and everything. And the first time, oh my god, my heart. But like full performance for wider audience, they did in 2018 Fake Love era for the comeback show. And I think this is the practice for that. I'm so excited. And then we got the practice for Pied Piper. Just 1 minute, the end of the Pied Piper when they are doing the little dance to it. Oh my goodness. And I think it is, judging from the hairstyles, it is exactly the practice for the Fort Master. First dance, first time we saw the choreo, we had no idea that there is a choreo for Pied Piper, and they surprised us back then for the first time. They showed us that choreo with the body roll at the end. Oh my god, with this cookie, like judging by his hair, like dark brown, like black hair for Cookie, and like this light ashy blonde for Jiminie. Oh my goodness. I remember all of that, but yeah, I'm thinking it must be for that. And then the final one, we got Airplane Pt.2 practice. Oh my goodness, I'm not sure which show they are practicing for, but again, judging by the hairstyles, it is around the Lights era, when they dropped the Lights single for Japanese single, like for Japan promotion. And around that time, Jiminie was always wearing this leather jacket with jeans and everything. Oh my goodness. And remember the interview for CBS, I think it was, that they did back then? He was wearing the jacket back then too. And also his blonde hair, and like Tate is like the minty green hair in the interview for Time. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is the practice from that time, but I'm not really sure which 2019 like award show or something they did with that, practicing for Airplane Pt.2. But yeah, I'm super excited for all of that. Oh my goodness. The FESTA blessings are not stopping, and we are so happy. I am so happy. Alright everyone, so let's jump into watching those dance practices, those practice records, because oh my god, finally we are getting all of that, and I'm so excited to watch it. After so many years, you have no idea how much time I spent praying for those kind of practices through the years. Every FESTA since I joined army from 2017, I was praying for all those things, to see them up close. Like, oh my goodness. Best of Me practice. Wow, we've been praying for that for a long time. And also Pied Piper, like the in-room practice where we can see all the moves so close. And Airplane Pt.2 we were missing also from tier, like dance practice wise. Oh my goodness. We got so many performances of all of that, but we never got dance practices from the dance practice room, so yeah, it's going to be amazing. Okay, so let me stop talking and let's go. Okay guys, here we go. First one, Best of Me. From the first frame, Jiminie is staring at me. Oh my god, okay, I already can't. I already cannot. He is the first one in line in the Okay. Prepare yourself. I'm gonna try to prepare myself, but it's really hard and I don't know how I will handle that. But oh my god. Alright, let's just go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Okay, I'm scared. Okay, oh my god, Best of Me, yeah, Fake Love era. Okay, click. Not I can. Oh, no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh. Okay. Okay. The beginning already got me. I cannot. He was staring so intensely into the camera and he was like licking his lips and like just like walking. Oh my god. Okay. 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 Not well already. Not well. Oh my god. Finally best of me practice in the room again. I think it's the same room they did the fake love practice. Cookie! Oh! Jin and Tae. Oh! Jiminie put the hoodie on. Oh! He had the hoodie? I don't even know. Oh my god, he had it. Oh, okay. Oh! Shoulder move. Oh my god. I love the best of me dance. Stop me. The footwork. Oh my god, oh my god. You got the best of me. Oh my god, we have to rewind. I can't believe this, guys. This is incredible. Finally released from the vault. I cannot believe this. Oh my god, finally. I'm so happy. I will cry. Oh my god, okay. Look at him. Oh my god, the moves and everyone else and the flying like hoodies and everything. Oh, hi Hobie. Oh my god, his red pants. Oh, and the curly hair. Oh. Shoulders for Junie. Yes, shoulders, Junie. Ooh, I love this move. Oh, them with Hobie, Jiminie in the front, like down with the shoulders, and Junie with his shoulders. Oh my god, love this so much. Oh. And Yoongi, look at Yoongi. Oh my god. Ah! Yes! Finally! Welcome to the bright light of the world. Best of me practice. Wow, you got it. Oh, and this move. Oh my god, oh my god. And this fast pace. Oh, every part of this choreo is incredible. I cannot. Look at them. I love this so much. Look at all of them. I cannot. Oh, hi Day. I cannot. I will pass out. Oh. My beloved fake love era hair and everything, and now they are back to this hair. Everybody has the dark hair. Jiminie! Oh, so powerful, so quick, so beautiful. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, and the thrusts. Oh, oh, did you saw what he did there? Like he grabbed this this tie. He grabbed it with passion. Oh my god. Again. Ah! Oh my god, god, god. Ah! You got the best of me. Ah! So please just don't leave me. Oh! Got the best of me. Oh, Best of Me is such a good song. Their first kind of like from the first collabs that they had with Chainsmokers. I remember the excitement of this. Oh no. Oh, with Cookie to this. Oh my god. Oh, oh, beautiful. Oh, that was so beautiful. I love the duo dance in this so much. Oh my god. Whew. I cannot catch my breath right now. I cannot. Wow. Wow. I think I will drink to all of that. Oh my god. Let's see that again. Oh. Oh, look at them. Hubby! Look. Woo! Best of me. Who got the best of me? Ooh! Yes! Woo! And the line at the end. Oh, the twirls, oh! And the footwork, and this, and the resting. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm so happy we are finally seeing this in this practice. Just so you don't understand. Oh my god. Okay, maybe you do. I don't know. But like, you got the best of me. Woo! Yes! Oh, and and this at the end, yes! Oh my god, look at all of them. Jiminy, he's feeling himself. Oh my god, I don't know who to look at because everyone is doing stuff to me. Oh my god, Jin, stop it. Oh my god. Oh! Ow! Ow! The gaze hurts. Cookie, you too. Stop it. Just one more time. Oh! Oh my god, we need to see the ending again. Whew. Whew. I'm not well. I'm feeling dizzy, really dizzy. Oh my god. But let's see. Everything we wished for, everything we were waiting for so long. Oh my god, I can't. Okay, I'm still not very well, but we have to move on to Pied Piper now, which will be even harder because the moves on that little part at the end are just, oh my god. Okay, okay. This is rough, this is tough, this is, oh my god. But let's go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Click. Jiminie with the cup! Oh my god, look at him! What are you doing? What are you doing? Look at him! Oh my god! Oh my god! I didn't expect this! Oh my god, he is so fun! He is amazing! Oh my god, Jiminie! I love that! Oh my god! Okay, whew! Again. Oh my goodness, look at him! Oh my goodness, I remember this shirt and oh my god. Oh, dancers coming in. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. It's gonna happen. Woo! Oh, look at this synchronization and everyone. Oh! On the roll and the roll, oh my god, and this roll, over you, oh my god, again, oh, this is too short, but it's amazing, I cannot, I'm so sweaty. You're taking over us for years and you will always take over us. Oh, I'm taking over you. Ooh. Look at them. Amazing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Going to the wall. Oh, they are so fun. I love them so much. Okay, I have to like, wow. Whew, take a breath because I am just like struggling for air right now. I am, but we have still Airplane Part 2, very dangerous one. Again, the choreo and everything. Oh my goodness, maybe they were practicing for the tour, right? Maybe it was also for the tour. Oh, remember the tour? Love Yourself tour in 2019. Oh my God, Love Yourself, Speak Yourself. They were performing that at the tour too. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right. I am not ready for this, but we have to watch it. So yeah. Wow. Okay. 3, 2, 1, and go. I'm not ready. Click. Oh my God. The chair, the mic, Cookie will come in. Whew. Okay, brace yourself. Okay, he is there. Oh, there he is, Jiminie, with the jacket and the boots and the jeans. Oh my God. Whew. Oh my God, this look on him. I'm quaking in my chair. I cannot. I think I need a break. I really think I need a break. I cannot handle this. Oh my God. Water. I need water. Oh my God. I'm so happy we got all of that, but this is so dangerous, and all those memories come back about those looks and everything, and I just cannot handle this. Oh my God. Okay, but let's go. Click. Oh, look at him. Those jeans and those boots and those hair and this jacket. Hi, Tay. Tony! Still. Togato. Oh, love this. Oh my God, look at them. Look at Jiminie. Oh my God. Oh my God. I want to look at everyone, believe me, but I am so distracted. I cannot. Jiminie's outfit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Marriott. Oh my God, the moves. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can't. I need a break. Oh my God. All right, I'm back. I have a fan also, additionally, because I cannot handle this. So yeah, let's go again. Oh my God. Click. Oh my God, him coming in like this. Oh my God. El mariachi, oh, these shoulders and oh my God. I'm coming to Brazil. Oh. I'm struggling for air right now. Wow. El mariachi. Look at them, all of them. Oh, I love Hobie's outfit, but Jiminie. Oh my God. Oh, the mics now. Oh my God. I don't know with what I should fan myself. Oh my God. Look at him. Oh my God. Look at Hobie and Suga and Yoongi. But like Jiminie. Oh my God. Look at his posture and everything. I cannot. Oh my God. This is so difficult. Oh my God. This is so difficult. The most difficult one yet of the practices for me right now. Oh my God. Click. I'm scared. Hobie, I love you. You're doing great, but Jiminie is looking so damn hot. I can't. I just can't. No. What is Mishima? Oh. Tay-Tay's hair. I love that. Hi, Jin and Junie. Oh. I don't know. With Yogi, oh my God. I love this part. Oh. Look at Jiminie on the ground there. Ow. That hurt. Yoongi, you look amazing too. I love his outfit also. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at all of them! Those outfits! I cannot believe they are giving this to us right now. After such a long time, we could have seen that way before. Mariachi, 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 mariachi. Oh my god. I love this so much. Wow, I'm gonna watch this as many times as I can a day. Which means, oh my god. Which means thousands, because waiting for many years for that to be shown to us, now experiencing it is too much for me. It's just too much. I cannot, but I want to watch it over and over again and just like catch up this lost time without those practices. We have to just catch up with them and just like make up for this time, for this lost time. Oh my god. Alright everyone, so this one was, oh my god, incredibly hard to get through. As you could see, I was freaking out so much, so much, and the butterfly one was so emotional one. And then I thought tomorrow is hard, but now those ones, Best of Me, Pied Piper, Airplane, oh my god. I really don't know how I survived that and how I will survive the next ones from 2020, 21 and 22 right now. What is going on? I don't know. But those ones were super hard. Oh my god, the outfit of Jiminie with this jacket. Guys, wow. I'm not well. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed watching my freak out today while we were watching those practice records released from Big Hit Vault upon us today. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave it a like, subscribe, and I'm a total mess, but I love you guys, purple you, and to the next time, bye!